In this lecture, I'm going to show you the program building process. First, you use an IDE or text editor to write your program like this. You will put into a file called welcome.java. Then you got a source code. Then you compile it using Java or Javac in command line and put your file name welcome.java. Then execute it, and then you will get certain bytecode file. It's called welcome.class. And you can see that it's something like this, but in reality, the .class file is a binary file, but the Java development kit also gives you a certain text file for you to look at. And then at this time, you finish the compile run. The next one, we would like to load the program and then run it. When we load it, I call it go. You hit the button, you start to go. Type in Java space welcome. You don't need the .class, but it actually will load the welcome.class to run. And at the runtime, they start to link the program and then run the program. And eventually, you got a welcome to Java. Cross-platform by JVM and the bytecode. When you have the source code, and then compile and go and try to link it. But the reason why we have a Java virtual machine is that Java virtual machine will hide your bytecode using the same bytecode, but able to run on different platform, different OS, or even different machine. This makes the Java code machine independent. And when we load the file using the Java welcome.class, you don't need to put .class. And you will load into the system. And then at that time, still is a bytecode. You have not linked with the library yet. So you hit go, but not linked yet. And then we go to the just-in-time compiler. Just-in-time compiler would help you to compile. This is not source compiler, but it's a compiling from your bytecode into the executable code for the machine. So there is a certain native method library. It's more machine dependent. Usually could be written in C or C++ to make the whole execution faster. So at that time, you link the program. We call it dynamic linking. Not at the compile or link time, but at the run time, you start to link the program. And then you can run the program. Now I'm going to demo it through a file called 1+1.java. A basic program structure has input part, processing part, and output part. And usually this is how we do programming, to get some data and then process and get the output out. As you can see right here, I already prepared the 1+1.java. This program reads the data from the program itself, or from command line, or from console. And I put into 6 different variables. A, B, C, D, E, F. The detailed syntax I will explain it later, but right now you just think about we have 6 different integer variables from 3 sources. And then we sum them up together in each pair. This is the processing part or the calculation part. And then eventually we print them out to the console. Now let's run it. When we bring up project runner, you will see something like this. It's asking you for the command line arguments. So let's put in 5 and 7 to string, but it will be converted into integer and then hit OK. And then the program asks you for input to the console. Let's put 7 and 8. So you see we got a result. 3 plus 5 equals 8, 5 plus 7 equals 12, 7 plus 8 equals 15. Now we need to run it again in the command line to show you the difference on the 2 ways to run it. So let's check the files. We have Java 1+1. Now you need to compile. We hit Java C, Java 1+1.java. And then hit return. system start to compile it. Okay. And then it should have a 1+1 class file. And the text file is in C text. And then now we will run it. Let's run Java. And then you put your file class name 1+1, but don't put the dot class. And now you need to put in your number, 2 numbers for the arguments, and then hit return. Java 1+. I hit the wrong, enter the wrong name. Sorry. 5 and 7. I put a PLUE, not PLUS. I make a mistake there. And then run. It asks for integer. Type in 7. Type in 8. So you get the same result as you see on here. So this shows you how the system is working for you. And then if we open this text file for the class, you can use a notepad. Let's use a WordPad instead. Okay, it's something like this. Thank you.